Did you know that a grandmother in Lagos turned $20 into over $100,000 in just 2 years? She's not alone. Meet Sarah, who started selling phone cases from her kitchen table. Today, she makes $15,000 every month on Africa's biggest online marketplace. Or take Joseph from Kenya. He carved wooden sculptures as a hobby. Now his traditional crafts business pulls in $8,000 monthly, shipping across 12 African countries. The secret? They've discovered which products sell like crazy. Phone accessories top the list in Nigeria and South Africa. Beauty products dominate in Ghana. Traditional crafts explode in Kenya and Morocco. But here's what shocked me most. The average successful seller makes their first $1,000 in just 90 days. The top 10%? They're hitting 6 figures annually. These aren't tech geniuses or business school graduates. They're regular people who found the right products for the right markets. The platform is free to join. The tools are simple to use. The only question is, what's stopping you from starting today?